use of drones is transforming security in critical infrastructures. Without efficient management, operational and regulatory risks arise. Dispersed operations, lack of airspace coordination, and technological dependency can compromise security. This is where DroneSuite Manager goes a step further. DroneSuite Manager is the platform for total supervision of both owned and third-party drones, ensuring regulatory compliance and integrating with U-Space for safe airspace management. For security in critical environments, DroneSuite Manager includes counter-UAS capabilities to detect and alert about unauthorized drones, helping prevent unauthorized access. Its value is essential for the security of critical infrastructure operators, professional drone operators, and security forces that require full control of the airspace. In addition, users enhance automation and efficiency in flight management and benefit from integration with the most advanced monitoring systems. Critical infrastructures demand smart security. At ITG Drone Solutions, we strengthen operational safety in the most demanding spaces.